So, dear students, today I will continue the lesson and I will explain paragraph wise. So, see here, thinking about Wanda and her 100 dresses, all lined up in the closet, Maddie began to wonder who was going to win the drawing and coloring contest. For girls, this contest consisted of designing dresses, and for boys, of designing motorboats. Probably Peggy would win the girls' medal. Peggy drew better than anyone else in the room. At least that's what everybody thought. She could copy a picture in a magazine or some film star's head so that you could almost tell who it was. Oh, Maddie was sure Peggy would win. Well, tomorrow the teacher was going to announce the winners, then they did know. So in this paragraph, author want to say that she was thinking about the dresses that Wanda would always talked about, and then suddenly she just thought began to wonder about who was going to win drawing and coloring contest. So for the girls, the contest was to draw dresses, and for the boys to draw motorboats. So Peggy was the good artist, and they draw and they all thought that Peggy would win the contest. So everybody thought that Peggy would be the winner because she was the good artist and she could draw any pictures. She could copy picture of some film star from magazine. So she was good artist and she could draw any picture or copy any picture exactly. So they were just waiting for the result to be announced. The next day result will be announced. Now, so in this paragraph, we know that Peggy was also a good artist and she would draw any picture, same to same. Now, in the next paragraph, the next day it was drizzling. Maddie and Peggy hurried to school under Peggy's umbrella. Naturally, on a day like this, they didn't wait for Wanda Pentrosky on the corner of Oliver Street, the street that far away, under the railroad tracks and up the hill, led to Boggins Heights. Anyway, they were not taking chances on being late today because today was important. Do you think Miss Mason will announce the winners today? Asked Peggy. So in this paragraph, author want to say that it was raining the next day. So what happened? They went to school. Peggy had brought an umbrella. So with that they went to school. So as it is raining, they did not wait for Wanda that day, and they did not want to waste time because today was important, because today announced the name of the winner of drawing contest. Peggy was very curious and wanted to know the result, which will be announced by the teacher, Miss Mason. Now in the next, oh, I hope so the minute we get in, said Maddie. Of course you will win, Peg. Hope so, said Peggy eagerly. The minute they entered the classroom, they stopped short and gasped. There were drawing all over the room, on every ledge and window sill, dazzling colors and brilliant, lavish designs, all drawn on great sheets of wrapping paper. There must have been 100 of them all lined up. They must be the drawing for the contest. They, they were. Everybody stopped and whistled or murmured admiringly. So now in this paragraph, authors said that. So Maddie said that maybe today teacher announced the name in class, and Maddie also added that Peggy will win the contest, and she was also very hopeful about this. The moment these two girls entered in the classroom, they surprised and stopped at looking something. So why were they surprised? Because inside the classroom, all over the room, even on the window, wall was decorated by beautiful designs and all drawn on great sheets of wrapping paper. So there were 100 dresses of different design and all lined up, and they knew that these were the design for the contest.